Hello, what's up guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video I will show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. But before we getting started, if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So if you're on Android device, make sure to open up Facebook and click on the three lines you can see on the screen right now. We scroll down and look for settings and privacy option, then go for settings and then you scroll down a bit more. Okay, so active status, you can click on that and show when you're active, so you need to turn this off, right? Okay, so yep, your friends won't be able to see that you are active on Facebook. Okay, so this is how you actually do it on your Android phone. Okay, now let's say if you are on your desktop PC, what you need to do, you simply go to Facebook. Now click on that messenger icon. Okay, so click on that three dots you can see. Okay, after clicking on that, here you can see turn off active status. Click on that and here you can see there are three options, right? So in this option, if you want to just turn off this active status only for simply a few people, like 2 or 3 people, you can simply write their name and you can, if you click on OK, it will be set. Okay, now if I click on that second option, you only can turn off active status except this person I am just selected. Okay, only this person can see you online and the rest of your friends can't see you online. Okay, now if I click on select the first option, that means and no one can see if you are, whether you are online or not. Okay, so this is how you can turn off your active status on Facebook from your Android or your PC. Okay, so I hope you guys understood that video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.